Compact refrigerator freezer, retro-style single-door mini fridge, 1.6 Cu.ft home small fridge cooler with 2 glass shelf, using for dorm, office, dorm. Sleek design, cool life refrigerator with beauty retro design, novel and unique, size 17.5 watts, 18.3 D, 19.6 H, in, capacity 1.6 Cu.ft, keep your favorite beverages cool. Perfect size suitable for university dormitory, RV, apartment, or office. Refrigeration and freezing, 1.6 Cu.ft refrigeration room can keep fresh fruit, beverage, breast milk, medicine, condiments and cosmetics. A full width and a half width shelves can accommodate more high bottles. Adjustable temperature control, by turning the thermostat knob, 1 to 7 accurate temperature control. The range of temperature control is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The higher the grade, the lower the temperature. Tips: the setting 4 should be appropriate for home or office refrigerator use. Convenient and humanized, the 2 glass shelf can be removed or adjusted if you want to organize taller things. And it also offers convenience for cleaning. Mini fridge has adjustable foot, flexible and durable. Energy saving, R600, a fluorine-free refrigerant is used in the inner core, which can refrigerate quickly and efficiently. Classic portable refrigerator freezer work less than 1 kilowatt-hour a day. 38 decibels low-grade sleeping operation, no noise. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.